how to make a deposit into Cloud Token. Okay, go down to the crypto that you would like to deposit. In this case, we're going to look at Bitcoin. Okay, once you get to this page after touching Bitcoin on the first page, you're going to see two options: deposit and withdrawal. Below the balance that it's showing for Bitcoin, click on deposit. Okay, you're going to have to scroll down. You see the QR code, but scroll down to the bottom and there's a copy button, so you can copy that. It's copied to the clipboard. Remember, there's three buttons at the bottom of the page. On bottom of most phones, most Android phones, there's usually an arrowhead or an arrow that is a back button. There's a home button, and then there's also the tiling button. And when you click on the tiling button, it actually lays one on top of the other of the apps that are open on your phone. So I'm going to close out Home. I'm going to close out Chrome. But here's my Gmail. Now, if your Gmail was not open in the background, what you can do is you can click on the Home button. You can go to Google or whatever email client that you're using. Click on Gmail. Okay, let's start a new email. So I'm going to open that up. Down in the compose email portion, I'm going to press my finger down. Going to hit paste. It's going to paste in that address, wallet address that we need to be able to send that to the Cloud Token account. I'm going to put, let's see, CT for Cloud Token, BTC address. And then I'm going to send it from this account to my personal account. Okay, now you've got the email composed. I'm going to hit the check mark, but then I'm going to send that email. Okay, now what we're going to do is wait till the email gets to, so that we can access it, copy it, and paste it into wherever we're storing our Bitcoin, and to send it to that particular address, and then we'll wait for it to get back to the Cloud Token account.